Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruby. So today you guys, I'm gonna make a face mask with just 3 ingredients for my face. So if you want to see, continue watching. Okay guys, so I am back with my face mask, very liquidy. This is what I choose to use in my face mask, the cucumber. So as for you, you can use whatever cucumber you want in your face mask, but as for me, I choose this one because this is the one that I have home. For the aloe vera, you can use the aloe vera plant that you can get at your local grocery store, but because I didn't have that one, I choose to use this aloe vera gel, which I am going. The vitamin E, I don't have the vitamin E tablet, so I choose to use the vitamin E oil here. It's a natural therapy, promote healthy skin. So this is what I use in my mixture. Now I am going to use a brush here, and I'm using this because this is something that I use and I really like, and I just want to, so I use this to put on my face here, and I am going to leave it on my face for some time. You can see where I drink some of the cucumber juice because the cucumber juice was too much, so I drink a bit of it. And you can leave this on your face if you want to at night, or you can wash it off. But this is something that it's like a mask, but it's also like a serum type thing. So I am going to leave it here on my face a couple minutes, um, about 20 minutes, and then I am also going to wash it off. So I am also going to put some underneath my neck. You can put it in the fridge if you want to, and then you can use it after taking it out of the fridge, but don't keep it too long, you guys, because these things intend to really get spoiled. So you can keep it in the fridge for at least 2 weeks, and that's the highest you can keep it. But I like to use this on my face. I use it to massage in my skin, and you can see how my skin look. You guys, you can see how my skin look. So if you want to use this at night, as I said, you can use this at night, just a small amount. You don't have to use a brush. You can just put your tip a little bit on your finger and you use it at night on your head and your face, and you leave it for the next morning, and then you clean it off. Or you can use it in the day whether you want to, and leave it there for 20 minutes, and then you also wash it off. So let's see how this thing, after everything, I'm going to clean it off and let you see how my face look. So guys, 20 minutes, um this mask has dried on my face. You can see that glow in my skin. So this mask is good for anti-aging. It's also good for glowing of the skin. It's also good for wrinkles. So I am going to use a piece of, I am going to use it to clean off the mask off my face and let you see how glowy my skin look after using this. This is something I have been trying out for a while on my skin, and my skin is getting more better than better all the time. So I did not wash off everything. I just used a piece of makeup white cloth and I'm cleaning off the product off my skin. So look at my skin, you guys, how much my skin is glowing. This skin don't have on any form of serum, any form of moisturizer. There's nothing on my skin, but it leaves that really nice glow on my skin without I have to use any form of moisturizer on the skin. And after applying the product to your skin, it makes your skin feel really tacky, and that's the good thing about it. So I really do like this method, you guys, that I'm using on my skin. So this is something that I have been trying out on my skin, and you can see my skin. There's no moisturizer on my skin, there's no oil on my skin, there's no serum on my skin. This is my natural skin, you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video you can be notified. God bless you, stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.